Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the Magento 2 Product Review Import-Export extension by Webkul. It helps you bulk import and export product reviews using CSV files. Whether it's guest feedback, star ratings, or multi-store support, this extension makes review management fast and efficient. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First of all, we have successfully logged in as the admin. To enable the module for the front end, we will navigate to Stores, click on the Configuration Settings option, and select Product Review Import and Export Configuration. To enable the module, we will choose the Enable option and click on Save Configuration. As we can see, the module configuration has been saved successfully. Now, to import the reviews, we will go to the Marketing section and click on the Import Reviews option under User Content. Here, the admin can also download a sample file. To import reviews, we will select a CSV file. After choosing the CSV file, we will click on the Submit button. As we can see, the reviews have been successfully imported. To verify this, we'll navigate to the front end, go to the product page, and under the Review section, we can confirm that the reviews, along with the ratings, have been successfully imported. Now, let's go back to the admin dashboard. To export the reviews, we'll go to Marketing and click on the All Reviews option. Here, the admin can select the reviews and click on the Export button to download them. Save the file. We have now successfully exported the reviews. That's all for this module. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.